The shinobue is simply a piece of hollow bamboo with holes cut into it, and yet it produces a sound so clear that it creates a mystical atmosphere. It is similar to a Western flute, but is played using unique traditional techniques. When repeating the same tone, the player uses his fingers to cut each tone, rather than using a tongue technique common when playing Western flutes. The nokan looks similar to shinobue, but it has a narrow bamboo pipe called nodo inserted between the blowhole and the first finger hold. This upsets the normal acoustic properties of the flute pipe and creates its unique otherworldly high-pitched note, often used to express a cry from the bottom of the soul.